Greetings, my people. Back with another one. The something I want to quickly chat about is that I don't know, it just flooded to my mind for some weird reason. Just chilling right now. And it basically was to all the parents out there, that have children. Be very mindful how you raise your children. And my point being is, if you've got more than say 3 children, raise your children to love one another. Create a family that is happy, united, in harmony together. Because what we fail to realize is that how we raise our children, it creates a reality in the world that we all exist in. Meaning, something I was thinking about myself is that, you see, I want you to think about this as well. Think about, say, your mum, your dad, your brother, your sister, your auntie, your uncles, and your cousins. Think of it right now in your life. So I want you to see your life, yeah? Are you close with your family? I don't need to say all them titles that I just mentioned, but are you close with your family? And the reason why I said that, because the way we feel and are with our family, it's how we see the world, or it's how we program in the world, in the sense of, if your relationship with your family ain't good, it can make you cold without even being aware. And it's mad, because I don't want to get mad personal, but I feel like, me personally, and might be messed up, but I just feel it's me being real for how I feel majority of the time. Maybe not all the time, but the majority of the time is that the kind of family that I've got, or I feel that I've experienced, it makes me, I can be cold. I can switch off, I can detach, I can remove myself, I can not care. Because when I think about my family, and I'm not saying 100% of the time, but the majority of the time, everybody's for themselves. But it's not our fault. It's the world, it's the way things are, it's the way we've been raised. And it's not that we've been raised bad. I'm talking about the world. Parents ain't aware that you have to really install love in one another with your children, because if you haven't got a good family firm foundation of how you feel about your loved ones, then that's kind of what you present to the world, in a sense where it has that impact in how you see things, how you deal with things. And it just came to my mind and just made me think that, you are the way you are because of the way your family has affected you. And wherever you're right or you're wrong, but it's your perception, and your perception of what you feel or what you experience is your reality. And I think that's deep. It's not something we really think about. Do you know what I'm saying? As a family, what you experience growing up, what you're experiencing now, it actually affects how you are in the world, in relationships, in friendships, in bonds, in everything. And I just feel that we have to be more aware of how we raise our children, because like I said, we are literally raising a reality. Think about that. Just a random thought, man. I know it will relate to a lot of people. Blessings and love, man, and don't forget the message. So